Ready to earn passive income from YouTube? Today, in this video, I will show you how these type of channels are earning 7,000 to 8,000 per month just by uploading shorts. And you can do it too. I will share their secrets today. So watch till the end as I will show you step by step. And the best part is it's all done by AI.
Okay guys, to begin, first go to ChatGPT and paste this prompt. You can change the details as per your need. I will link this prompt in the description below. Now what this will do is generate 30 ideas for shorts in tabular format. After generating shorts heading, we will go to Canva. Here we will create a design and select shorts format. You can search it like this as well. It will open a blank document. Then go to Elements and search for your topic so that we can use video for it. Go to Video section. Select which you think matches with your topic. And drag it to your project. Resize with the video. You can also change the transparency of the video as well. Click on this text section and add the text box, so that we can add our heading. Change the font to chunky and bold like Anton. Add a text effect. Move the title on top, then add other text box. I will write heading 1 and heading to text. Change the effect. Duplicate the text like this, and write heading 2. Now another thing what you need to do is adjust the timing. You can use between 6 to 10 seconds. For this example, I will use 6 seconds only. Now one more important thing which you need to do is adjust the timing. Right-click and show timing and reduce its timing. But if you feel confused, you can skip this step. On the side left, head over. Go to Up section. Then search for Bulk Create. Click on it and do exactly what I am doing. After copying the data from ChatGPT, we will connect the data. Click on Heading. Then you will get this option to connect the data. Do the same for all 3. Then click on Generate. In this way you will be able to generate 30 or more than 30 reels in just few minutes. After doing it, change the video in every page so it is unique. Click on Share, then Download. And make sure you select Download as separate file.